Hey everyone, welcome to Again Craft. Listen, I heard you loud and clear. You want the sand and you want the sand now. Got you. I measured out 250 grams of sand, and this is the amount I'm gonna sell a piece or a pack. Okay, this sand is gonna cost you 20 euros. It's gonna involve my petrol, the alcohol I use for cleaning, the baking, and the packaging. Okay, and then it's gonna cost you another 10 euros to ship it globally. I was thinking to send you 100 grams, but 100 grams shipping is about 8 euros tracked. So I was like, might as well just do 150% of it, or whatever it comes out, 250 grams for another extra 2 euros, and it's tracked. It's gonna get to you in about 4 days. Doesn't matter where you are on the planet. Okay. I intend to have like small crustaceans in it, and all the colorful sand you've seen already in the videos. I will make sure that there are no biological materials and pebbles in it. Okay, but it's live now on the web shop. I had to do it, guys. Like, you bug me about it every half an hour or so. So this is it. We are going live now. It's available. Link in the description. Okay, go get yours. Thank you very much for your support. This is literally gonna save my ass for the winter. So get creative. You know, art is for everyone. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Get to the link. Buy yours now. Thank you. Bye.